Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. My tablet has an area on the display that does not respond to the touch. A troubleshooting example, please. This is a question from my viewer. I don't have tablet. I will use this old model telephone from Samsung GT5830, and we will see how this touch works and if there is possibility to troubleshoot to repair it. We will see how this touch screen digitizer works. In this model, the touch panel is separate and display screen is separate. In some models, the display screen and touch panel are as a one piece, connected to one connector. Touch can be separated from this connector, and in some models, touch is permanently fixed with the LCD panel. So manufacturers are using different options. First we will see how it works. This touch screen digitizer is divided into rows and columns. Rows, these are rows and these are columns. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9, R10, like that. In the back side of this transparent glass there is this display that is called IPS display, and this transparent glass is here. When we will touch in any portion of this glass, basically we are touching these rows and columns. In past there was resistive touch screen, but now it is capacitive touch screen. These will sense the touch area and these will decode that here in this portion the capacitance is changed. It will sense row and column reference. The IC will decode this data and it will send to host computer. Suppose processor is showing different icons here, contacts here. If I will touch this portion where the contacts icon is visible, that means I am pressing this area. Row 9 C2. That is reference for that icon. So processor will open that file. Here is gallery. If I will touch it this area, R5, C5, it will open that file. That file is linked with this reference, R5, C5. We are touching here, processor will read this address and it will decode the portion of this icon and it will open the linked file to this icon. Let's compare with microwave oven. In the microwave oven, we have selected numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, defrost, fish, cook, barbecue, like that, and we will select only that options. But this is multifunction display. Processor will show different options here. So we will touch this portion, but here the options are changing all the time. There is printed number on the microwave oven, but here no number is visible here on this transparent glass, but this matrix is similar to that one. It will work row and column methods. Now we can see here is this IC, digitizer IC. From this IC there are different lines coming to this side. This is input connector. It is reaching to this IC. In the second side of this IC, there are these lines, rows and columns. From this flex cable, it is communicating with this touch screen. All these lines are entering in different portions. These are rows, then this side, and these are columns. Now if I will press in this area, that time this row and this column, row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2, this portion. If I will touch here, the capacitance in this portion will change due to human body here in this portion. So this zone will be marked and this data will reach to this IC. It will decode that data and then it will send to host computer. Now if there is problem in this touch panel, there is no option to fix this touch panel, as it is asked in the question that portion of this touch screen is not working. If capacitive touch screen is damaged, its crystals are short circuited, leaked, then there is no option. So basically we are changing the capacitance on this paper, that is divided into columns and rows. So if there is something wrong, we cannot do anything. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.